dermatologist for just some random thing, like I have a mosquito bite that hasn't gone for 10 days and they say, so what do you do for your skin? And I tell them, they are appalled at what I do. So I'm damn scared to tell you. But it is genes. I have to say, I have to thank my mother and grandmother. My grandmother, she's 80 and still has the most beautiful skin. And so does my mother. I've come into the film industry at a time where we use very little makeup. In fact, today, because it was a panel discussion about the skin, I wanted to come here without makeup, which is what I've done for various events and been photographed by flash photographers and looked like nothing on earth. Who see me face to face say, oh my god, you look so good. And then you see the photograph and I look like god, awful. But I couldn't do that today because I was coming straight from a shoot. I'm quite happy to say that my makeup artist keeps complaining that she hasn't been able to change my pot of foundation that she has been using for the past 2 years because a drop goes onto my face and nothing more than that. So I've been lucky with my makeup and the lights are good now. I know people say use retinol and various things like that. My skin is very sensitive. In fact, I have a little mosquito bite here and I'm so hyper about my skin that it drives me bananas that I have a mosquito bite. No. So I'm very particular about it. I use chandan if I get a spot. I don't use any chemicals on my face.
I think it's damn good. I mean, I wish I could be like involved with something like this because there's great food. I saw some yummy cupcakes. I'm quite a skin fanatic. For me, good skin, healthy skin, happy skin is very important. So it was very informative for me to be with a scientist and a doctor both talking about skin and regimes and stuff like that. Because I think both are important. As you saw, my skincare regime is mostly in my kitchen. But they told me that I was not wrong, which is great. So yeah, it was fun. I think this is a great event and it's very good for people who want to know about their lifestyle and want to improve their lifestyle. Diya ka skin bahut acha hai, Mirza. Diya Mirza has very beautiful skin. Kareena Kapoor has very beautiful skin. I think the fact that everybody should have a routine and you must look after your skin because that is something that is, has been gifted to you. And it's something that can't be reversed. So you should look after your skin, but skin is not about just an external slapping some cream on your face. I think to be healthy, to have good skin, to be a good person, I think you need to look after every single aspect of your life and make them work together. And however busy you are, if it's important to you, you will do it.